What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Here is the other typewriter that I mentioned in one of my last videos. This is a Smith Corona Super Sterling typewriter from the 60s. The last one I think was from the 40s and it only said Sterling on it. I'm not sure what the CL and set keys do. The thing won't slide all the way across, it gets stuck. I feel like it's not supposed to do that, but who knows. Moving on. In order to get to the ribbon, you pull it towards you. Unlike the other one, it would just lift up. And the ribbon in this one does not say Smith Corona on it. Here's a little info sticker. Okay, so a couple differences in the keyboard. The one above does not have the 1. The green one has a plus and equals key. The key that has a 4th and a half also looks different. Floating shift and shift lock are now plain on the green typewriter. And then the last difference that I found was that on the green typewriter, the margin release key now just says MR. Here's what both of them look like underneath. The Super Sterling is now covered. And then on the back, it still says Made in USA. Okay, so now let's try to type something up. I did have some trouble with the ribbon. It kept sliding off. I do feel like I didn't have to push on the keys as hard as I did on the black typewriter. And on this one, the red ink was working, whereas on the other one, it was not. So once it got to this point, it didn't want to keep moving. So I had to manually slide it. That way you guys would be able to hear the bell. So my final thoughts are, I'm sure this typewriter worked great when it was just released, but I do enjoy typing on the black one more just because I think it works better. I will have the link down below to the other typewriter if you guys want to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, until next time.